Dear business owners, are you grappling to build wealth from online business while doing everything you can? Then all you need is a potential and top converting product in hot niche. So, here you are dreaming of turning your passion for food into a thriving online business. We are about to reveal the secret sauce to success in the hottest online niche there is, food. The food and cooking niche is a culinary goldmine. Here's why. 60% of social media users can't resist a good cooking video that's a massive pool of hungry viewers just waiting to be hooked by your content. Food blogs with high-quality recipes can convert those viewers into loyal followers, with conversion rates reaching a sizzling 10%. And get this, top food bloggers are living the dream, pulling in six-figure salaries just by sharing their love for delicious food. By keeping all these things in mind, we have brought this professionally created done-for-you HD videos on an evergreen and top-selling niche that will grab the attention of your audience, that is. Introducing Cooking Video Library with Unrestricted PLR. Unlock the potential of Cooking Video Library to accelerate engagement and earn ceaseless profits. But this isn't just another recipe collection, it's your all-you-can-eat content buffet, bursting with 200 high-definition cooking videos, professional-grade visuals that will have your audience drooling and hitting that subscribe button. 50 healthy recipe ebooks, a treasure trove of delicious and nutritious dishes, perfect for today's health-conscious eaters. 800 in-depth cooking articles, educate and inspire your readers with information-packed content they'll crave. Think of it as a year's worth of content, ready to publish and take your food blog to the next level. Imagine the possibilities. Effortlessly create stunning blog posts with mouth-watering recipes and captivating videos. Fuel your social media channels with content that gets your followers hungry for more. Build an email list with informative articles. Affiliate marketing, promote all your favorite kitchen gadgets and ingredients alongside your recipes. Sell your own products, develop your own signature meal plans or cookbooks using the provided content as a base. Offer online cooking courses, turn your expertise into passive income with pre-recorded or live video tutorials. But the real wealth lies in unrestricted PLR that comes along with it, that will shoot up your bank accounts to thousands of dollars in profit. Selling private label rights to HD cooking videos, ebooks and articles is the ultimate and tested strategy to generate high incomes consistently, and the best part is that you get to keep 100% of the profits. Now, this is the secret: top marketers are earning a living online by selling digital training programs, but successful marketers are making a fortune online by selling digital products with exclusive private label rights. So, if you are serious about your business, you will immediately get your hands on this opportunity. You're getting everything ready to trade and cook to serve your clients at a meager price. So, do not wait, it is a dime sale, the prices will go up. Act now.